Another fine vehicle offered by Jim Keim Ford.
This is a brand new 2013 Ford Flex. Safety, space, and comfort. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Jim Keim Ford is located at 5575 Keim Circle in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.